Why do advanced persistent threats target small OS vulnerabilities? Imagine a tiny crack in a fortress wall that most guards overlook. That small weakness can become the entry point for a skilled intruder. Now, think of computer operating systems as the fortress. They manage hardware and run applications, but even they can have tiny flaws. These small flaws are what cyber attackers, especially advanced persistent threats, look for. They target these small vulnerabilities because they are easier to exploit and often go unnoticed. Operating systems like Windows, Linux, and macOS are complex. They have many parts working together, and sometimes bugs that haven't been fixed yet slip through the cracks. These bugs can be as small as a misconfigured setting or a tiny coding error. When these vulnerabilities are not patched quickly, they become open doors for hackers. Advanced persistent threats are very patient. They want long-term access to a system, so they look for the easiest way in. Small vulnerabilities are perfect because they allow stealthy entry. Once inside, they can install tools like rootkits or backdoors. These tools help them stay hidden and maintain access over a long period. This way, they can gather information or cause damage without raising alarms. Many security systems relying on recognizing known threats. But zero-day exploits are a different story. These are vulnerabilities that no one knows about yet. Hackers can use zero-day exploits to bypass antivirus programs, firewalls, and intrusion detection systems. This makes small, unpatched vulnerabilities very attractive targets. Another reason attackers focus on small OS flaws is that patching or updating can be delayed. Organizations might miss or postpone updates because they think the vulnerability is minor or because of system downtime. This creates windows of opportunity for attackers to act. Understanding how operating systems work helps in managing these risks. Sometimes, errors in the OS happen because of unpatched vulnerabilities or misconfigurations. Regularly updating the OS and applying patches is one of the best ways to close these gaps. Using layered security tools, like behavior-based detection, can also catch suspicious activity that signature-based tools might miss. Organizations should also train staff to recognize phishing emails, which are common ways for attackers to get initial access. Conducting regular vulnerability assessments helps identify small weaknesses before hackers do. Fixing these small flaws quickly reduces the chances of an attacker exploiting them. In the end, advanced persistent threats target small OS vulnerabilities because these flaws offer a quiet, reliable way into systems. They take advantage of differences in OS design and patch management to stay hidden and maintain long-term access. Keeping systems updated, monitoring for unusual activity, and fixing vulnerabilities promptly are key steps to prevent these threats from succeeding.